Hello guys, are you still manually typing out your voice notes, interviews or meeting recordings? If you are looking for a free solution that can convert any audio file into text quickly and accurately and without any hassle, most tools come with, then this video is for you. Stick around because in this short video I will show you perfect method that's 100% free, unlimited and gives you clean, accurate transcript every single time. Alright, to convert our audio into text, we're going to use a fantastic Adobe tool. First, open your web browser and type in podcast.adobe.com, then hit enter. To use this tool, simply sign in with your Google account or any other account you prefer. You can log in with Google in just few seconds or use any existing Adobe account. Once you're logged in, scroll down and click on Transcribe audio and video option. Now select your audio file just by click on choose file and upload it from your device. Then click upload. That's it. As soon as your upload finishes, Adobe will automatically start transcribing your audio. And here are your result: clean, clear, accurate text extracted directly from the audio. If for some reason you can't copy the text, don't worry. Just install a small Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. Just extension name is Allow Copy Plus. You can search it on the Chrome Web Store and add to Chrome it. After that, once it's installed, you will be able to copy and enter transcript and paste it anywhere with ease. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials.